Today we have a very special Lotus, a 1960 Lotus Elite. In my opinion, the Lotus to have. It is not only a wonderful street car, it was a wonderful race car, it is in the record books, it does everything right, and it is a Lotus. And this one is one of the best I've ever seen, and we're lucky to have. So come on, let's go for a ride, and you judge for yourself. Okay, well, she's been sitting outside all day, so it's about as cold as you're getting. Temps Z. Proper oil pressure. Carburation is from Weber's. 1.5 liter Coventry Climax engine. It is probably being driven home with me tonight because I love it. But we're going to warm it up and put it through its paces as we normally do. Well, we warmed it up since we've left Autosport. We just want to show how it's very nimble and easy to use around town. So we'll drive through Huntington suburbia. And water temp is up, oil pressure is great. Does not have a oil temp gauge. Oil temp must have already warmed up enough to get on it a little bit. It's got a great sound. It's only had the finest hands touch this car. It is really, really dialed in well. And as we said, I think it is a wonderful tour car because you can put things in it. It is easy to use. It is fun to drive, although it doesn't have air conditioning. It does have vent windows that once you point them at each other, it is great cross ventilation, which helps if it's 90 degrees or 100 degrees and you're in Arizona or someplace such as Arizona. It's got a great gearbox. Again, this car, this Elite has been set up really, really well. So it's not the norm. It's got all the best of the best in it. And we'll take this one on a couple of spirited roads here so that we can get on it a little bit. And of course, it sounds wonderful. It's just a go-kart. It's obviously the coupe sports car that Lotus had, and obviously they've had plenty of race cars that have done exceptionally well. Always thought that Lotus, if they had some money, could have been the English Ferrari. They've certainly won enough world championships in F1, but somehow Enzo made a lot of money. Alrighty, well, let's get on a little bit. It is fun. Yet we'll cruise around town. So as you can see, third gear, fourth gear, we'll get up to the farm road in a little while. As we said, you can cruise all day long. A little third gear, second. Well, it does sound like you're going Mach 5, but you're really not. But it's an incredible amount of fun. Great power, lightweight, tossable, and piece of Lotus history. only Lotus would come up with a handle for a horn. So other than that, you've got your signals, left and right, lights, wipers, heater, you know, all the amenities of home, but just enough in a wonderful layout. And obviously the steering wheel, very reminiscent of Jim Clark in the Lotus Formula One. So we will be on the farm road in a minute. We'll get on in a straight line for a second, then we'll do our flybys. And it's a small package that has a lot, and an enormous amount of fun and pleasure in a little body, little lightweight body. So what we have here for you is the Lotus Elite. Well, I hope you all enjoyed those flybys. It's a lot of power in a little car. Very lightweight, very nimble, and extremely, extremely happy. So, really great stick, as you know, through the gearbox first, second. The gearing is exceptional for 4-speed. It's just right so that you can cruise and accelerate. Now 4th gear. And as you've seen on the back roads, let's downshift to 3rd. And we can just pull from 3rd gear. Just a happy-go-lucky little car. Brakes extremely well and straight. And there you have it. Our 1960 Lotus Elite. That is a small package and a lot of fun. Always get smiles from people. And it's just a special little car, and they don't come like this often. So thank you again for watching our Autosport Designs channel and our road test of our 1960 Lotus Elite.
Thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one.